Hello and welcome back to Planet Crafter. Last time we had expanded a little bit. We created a couple more drills, including that large one over there, and we got pretty close. We're pretty close to our terraforming index. Let's have a look here. So we're at almost 86%. And I believe we also had found a golden crate that had a gold flower in it. Now, I'm not quite sure what happened to that gold flower because I no longer have it. So it could be that I dropped it, although I do see the gold crate there still. I wonder if I need to go and get it. Let's go do that real quick. I'm guessing it doesn't respawn, so maybe it was a little bit of a bug. Golden seed, golden effigy, rod, uranium. Now, I believe last time we had gotten a green uranium rod. Unfortunate that we didn't get it this time, but at least now we know to keep an eye out for some golden crates. As you can see, we're getting close to our blue sky. I would say that is already pretty blue, but we haven't quite crossed that threshold as of yet. Now, what is this? Right click to build. Oh, it's a little golden spaceship. Let's see if we can put it on our... We'll put it like... Gonna be in the way a little bit, but we can put it over here. There we go. Alright, so now we got our golden flower, golden seed. So let's pack some of this stuff away so we don't lose it. Put it in the other one. And let's make a home for all these plants, including the golden seed. Now, the golden seed I'd like to put into a tier 3 veggie tube. So we need 2 aluminum, magnesium. There's our 2 aluminum. We just need some magnesium. Oh, I said 2 aluminum. I meant 2 silicon. So we'll grab 2 silicon. And of magnesium. Get magnesium down here. More silicon, please. Thank you. I'll take another for the road. I believe for the tier 2 version, we're going to need some ice. Let's see. I'm also not certain how we're doing with the... How we're doing with the power situation. We've got 10. Alright. So how much does this use? 7. Okay, so we're good to go. How's it look? Does this one go outside? Oh, this one goes outside. Alright, where are we putting the golden flower? Maybe we put the golden flower by Stonehenge? Deserves a good home. Now, let me drink one of these real quick. There we go. Right. So we're gonna put the golden flower right over here. Right over... Okay, to put it here. Too close to the rock, I suppose. It's gonna get enough sunlight. Here we go, on the tippity top. The alignment is a little tricky. Don't really want it to be on its side like that. Ah, that's not too bad. All right. In you go. Make us some oxygen. Wow. All right. There's our golden flower. It's generating 78. I'm gonna have a look and see what the other ones are doing just out of curiosity. Oh, wow. It's a lot more. Our highest contributor other than that is the 2.4, so it's a lot more. All right, so we can make some more veggie tubes. We need more magnesium. We'll probably want to make some more solar panels as well, some cobalt. But that being said, we are just about across the threshold for blue sky. I believe it is 175. There we go. That is our blue sky. So what's our next target? Does it say? Next target is clouds. So we need to get clouds up in the sky. Alright, so I'm assuming we keep doing what we're doing. Same old, same old. We just keep focusing on pressure, heat, and oxygen. So that's what we'll do. So we just unlocked this advanced craft station. It's 12.5 energy per second. So let's build one of those. Let's see what it's all about. So for that we'll need a few more solar power stations. So let's do that. I suppose 2 more of these should suffice. So iron, cobalt, silicon. All right. All right. Wonder when we'll start seeing water in the basins we wanted to make. Let's make some more. Oh, it's a tier 3 heater. There we go. Now, what did we need for... Firstly, let's go have some food. Oh, we got squash too. 40, 60. So let's so it seems like beans are just more efficient, but this may grow faster. Grow speed. Nope. Seems like beans are just better. So there you go. Alright, so we need to get 3 aluminum, titanium, magnesium, silicon. We don't have enough aluminum. Somewhat disappointing. We'll have to go and see if we can find some more. Alright. How does this... We can use the iridium rod for the tier 3 heater. We can do that before we head out so that we can be sure that our terraforming index is going up. Oh wow, look at that. The endless abyss. Alrighty. I'm just gonna step inside real quick. Okay, so we did have a bunch of these that we wanted to flesh out, and we also had our tier 3 that we can create. We just need to make sure that we're good on energy. We have 22 available. That's great. So let's start creating some veggie tubes, and then at the end of it all, we'll do a tier 3 heater, and then we'll go and explore. So we need iron, magnesium, silicon. Alrighty. Silicon. There you are. Well, it's no longer the endless abyss over there. Okay, so we can create one. We need some more ice to make another. Grab some ice on the way back. It's a very gradual process. We're about 5 to 6 parts in now, with each part being roughly 30 minutes or so. We're around the 3-hour mark, just to hit blue sky. So you definitely need to put in the effort. It doesn't just happen. It's sure, doesn't really matter. And we'll do some more. Like so. And then we need ice, iron, magnesium, silicon to do some more. Last ball. Do 2 more. Alright. We just need more iron, and then we're good. grab some extra ice for water. And let's go. Okay, let's bring some water, make some water. Make some plants. There we go. Probably gonna store these for right now. And then have lots of food. We can start gathering materials for a way station. We have water. Okay. So, I believe we needed a lot of iron and some titanium. Some wrecks over there we can go have a look at. Here's our way station down here. I guess we can make a pit stop, see if there's anything we necessarily want to bring back. Oh, we have a nuclear reactor. Ooh. That could solve all of our energy issues. We have what we need for a way station. That's great. Still have to have a look inside that cave. Alright. So do we go there or do we go down there? I'm thinking down here because there's a lot of ice here. And I feel like, at least I think this is ice. And if the ice is all going to melt and become water, then this way could be blocked off soon, potentially. Or we could just find a lovely aluminum in a box on the way. How about we do that? Ground here looks darker. Is that because it's wet or something else? A biome maybe? Oh wow, we just grabbing aluminum off the ground now. It's not like prevalent in this area, is it? It is. Wow. Alright, well, I think our problems are solved. Let's grab a whole bunch of this. Let's get out. How we're looking. Well, I don't have much space, so I'm not sure what I can do here, but let's see if there's anything interesting. Alright. We have a full haul. We can drop some more. We'll eat that. Drop some of these items we can get elsewhere. Let's grab as much aluminum as we can. I'd like disassembly any of this, can I? Seemed like something popped up there for a second. Storage crate. That's what this is? So I need to be able to get inside. Do I climb up? Can I climb up? Yeah, I can climb up. That. Wow. Okay. Amazing. Okay, so let's eat some food. Take all of these. Put all this stuff away that we don't necessarily need. Wow, wow, wow. Uranium seems to be pretty rare. We'll do this. That seems good. We'll have to come back because there's still a bunch of stuff, a bunch of aluminum around here, aluminum to grab and craft. Sorry, not craft, mine off the floor here. We definitely want to come back here. Alright, let's get back. That was a really good find. Could have set up a way station there, actually, now that I think about it, but we will be going back. Too many valuable resources for us not to. A grass spreader. Oh. So do we get to actually, like, start planting grass? Oh, look at the clouds. We got clouds. Wow. That was a really good haul. I'm gonna put some of this away for right now. And let's get our unlock. Satellite. That looks like a rocket, not a satellite, but you could have fooled me, I guess. Oh, look at that. Generates biomass. Okay. We unlocked something. I'm not sure what that was. What was it? Was it something I can build here? I don't see it. Maybe we need the new and improved crafting station. So let's create one of those. So we need titanium, magnesium, and silicon. Let's go grab some of that. I feel like silicon is one of the harder ones to find, although there's some over here. There we go. We did that. We made it blue and we're adding clouds. I can double check how far we are with the clouds. We're at 75%. Wow. Alright. So let's do our advanced craft station. Can this go outside? It cannot. Alright. So our food's over here. Let's do our crafting over here. Just like that. I didn't even think to consider our energy. I'm glad that we had enough. Alright. Oh, okay. Okay, so we have a jetpack, iridium rods, uranium rods, superalloy, a tier 4 oxygen tank, tier 4 backpack. Alright, so we're going to craft these two because these two are very helpful. And then we can look into a jetpack. That seems like a lot of fun. We need 2 of these, so we'll need a lot of iridium. I think we have the uranium requirements already, so let's do these 2 first. So let's go 3 super alloys. Do we have any in here? Where did we have super alloys? I think we left some behind somewhere. We'll have to check our explored bases. But right now, I kind of need some water, so let's go get some ice to make water. Alright. Make some water. Kinda wanna move this over to the other side now. I think I'm gonna do that real quick. We can put it over here. Huh? Something like that. Alright, so we don't have the super alloys. Quite. We can create some super alloys, so we may need to do that. How many do we have on hand? We have, I think it was one. All right. So we need a little bit of everything essentially. So cobalt, iron, magnesium, silicon, and titanium. A little bit of everything. Actually, just before we go, I think we're at 90%. All right. We need one of you. One of you. One of you. One of you. One of you, and where's the iron? Here's the iron. It's really sped up after we built that tier 3 drill over there, and we built the oxygen, the golden oxygen plant out there. It's really sped up, which is great. Alright, so we need to craft one of those, and we essentially need to do it again. So let's go grab one of everything again. We have most of it, so we need titanium, we need some cobalt, a launch platform. Are we going to other planets? Is that what's happening here? We're just gonna terraform everything now. Now that we know how. I'm not against it. I'd like to know. Prepare myself. Maybe stock up on some materials. Do I still have... I'll eat you. Okay. Another one of you. Then we can grab the one out of here. And then we can not craft it because we need titanium. Alright. Are we at... We are. So we are at clouds. We are now moving on to the rain stage. Alright. Seems to be moving pretty fast now. Although, like I say, that may just be because of the equipment that we've set up. I'm gonna start grabbing one of everything again to make another super alloy. Just while we move around. Also came up here because I wanted to check these chests. Okay. Right, this was not where I had the chest. I had it in the one up there. I see that still blocked by ice. Alright, and nothing too crazy here. Okay. Alright, so back we go. I feel like we can see further now that the kind of atmosphere is not filled with dust. We can kind of see further off into the distance. And now that we've found a source of aluminum, we can definitely upgrade a lot of our equipment. We don't need to be staying on the lower tier versions. Alright. Next level backpack. Hold on, I want to see. So that's 4 times 6, that's 24. Now that's 7 times 4. Okay, so we're up to 28. Great. I mean, I'll take it. So we'll have to do that all again in order to get the tier 4 oxygen tank, and then we'll start investigating as to whether or not we can get the rocket engines sorted out so that we can get our jetpack. That seems like it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm not sure how much more we need to do. This seems to be progressing at a reasonable pace. We'll look at this again once we have all of these craftables done. Another thing I'd like to look at in the next episode, the next video, will be this tier 1 nuclear reactor. It generates energy that powers all machines, and it generates 86. To put that into perspective, we're currently generating a total of only about 1.5 times that, so we would be almost doubling our energy output, which is great. Alright, but that's going to be it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.